Hello and welcome, Victor here from Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this used Kia Sportage 1.6 T-GDi, finished in sleek black and powered by 1.6-litre turbocharged petrol engine delivering 148 brake horsepower. Paired with manual transmission, this Sportage offers dynamic driving experience. On the front, you'll notice striking LED headlamps with signature daytime running lights paired with Kia's bold tiger nose grille and silver ski plate accents. You also get 17-inch alloy wheels, balancing ride comfort with sharp road handling. And on the back, LED high-mounted stop lamps and a subtle roof spoiler continue the dynamic look. The sculpted rear bumper with silver trim ties it neatly with the front design. The Sportage offers wide opening boot with low loading lid, making it practical for everyday use. Flexible 40-20-40 split 4-inner seats allow larger items to be transported with ease. Inside, the rear cabin provides generous headroom and legroom with ISOFIX mounts for child seats and added convenience like rear armrests with cup holders and dedicated USB charging ports. Up front, the manually adjustable seats are supportive and finished with high quality feel, while the center console provides ample storage. The leather steering wheel feels premium to the touch and features mounted controls for audio, phone and cruise control functions. Behind it, the 4.2-inch close supervision cluster provides clear driving data. This vehicle is equipped with a free-zone climate control, and allowing both driver and passenger as well as rear passengers to tailor their comfort individually. An infotainment system coming with radio and media, allowing you to enjoy music through a 6-speaker sound system with crisp clarity, as well as phone connectivity and phone projection, allowing you to stay connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with voice control for hands-free convenience. You also get voice memo to record quick notes, quiet mode, allowing you to keep things peaceful by limiting in sound to the front speakers, plenty of settings to tailor car preferences, and the feedback from the reversing camera, offering clear visibility with guidelines. This has been a presentation of the Kia Sportage 1.6 T-GDi. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our friendly sales team a call today.